Friends, my name is Mary. I am glad you are watching the cartoon I made about the letter A. Memorize it and watch all my videos to learn the alphabet. In this hour, watch a cartoon about a kind alligator named Arnold. Friends, I'm going to tell you a story about a kind alligator named Arnold. The first letter of his name is the letter A. He lives in a friendly forest where all the animals play together. The forest is bright and beautiful. One day, while playing hide and seek, Arnold came across a glowing rock half buried in the dirt. He called out to his friends. Arnold was surprised and said,
"What's that?"
He is answered by his wise parrot friend Amelia, who knows everything and can change the color of her feathers when she thinks and speaks.
The glowing rainbow gem was a magical A-shaped stone. It was bright, and when it shone it lit up our forest and everyone was bright, warm and happy. But now there's an icy wind blowing through the trees. The sky overhead is darkening. Heavy ominous clouds are coming, casting long shadows on the forest. This hour, the rainbow gem has fallen from the high crystal peak and is in the ground. Let's read the message from the gem.
The stone informs us, "Take me back to the crystal peak before the last light goes out."
But it will be hard for us to do it. There is a long hard road ahead and we have to carry the gem to the top of the crystal peak, which is frozen. The evil clouds threw the gem into the mud so that it would not light up the forest, and the forest was cold and dark.
Arnold has a beaver friend Arthur. He is always cheerful and not afraid of anything. He said,
"Friends, I am coming with you and will help you carry the gem and set it on the crystal peak."
How are we supposed to carry him? He's so big, right?
I'll ask for the gem and it'll be small enough to fit in the basket. Then it can be brought to the crystal peak. A gem of letter A. Please become small. We will put you in a basket and take you to the crystal peak.
The friends saw the big gem become small and lay in the basket. Alligator Arnold, Beaver Arthur, and Parrot Amelia walk along the path of the night forest. Their path is lit by a basket of flowers and a glowing gem in the shape of the letter A. Two angry clouds hovered over the forest. They did not want their friends to return the gem, and the sun, joy, and fun to return to the forest.
We don't want Arnold to return the gem. The woods must always be dark, cold, and scary.
For a long time, they were getting cold. The night was gone and the day came. They saw that the grass had disappeared and snow had appeared. It was real winter. In front of them was the road leading to the crystal peak.
Crystal Peak is very high. What do we do?
We need our friend Arthur to make a big ladder, and then we can climb the ladder to lift the gem and set it on the crystal peak.
We need to find a place where there's no snow. I'll cut the trees and Arnold will bring them to me. I have a saw, a hammer, and nails, so I can make a big ladder.
And so the ladder was ready. Amelia checked and said,
The stairs are solid. I see Arthur and Arnold are in good spirits, so everything is going according to plan. Well done, friends. Just a little more and we'll complete our task and set the gem on the crystal peak.
Arthur holds the ladder and Arnold climbs up it holding the basket with the gem, and then Arnold is at the top of the crystal peak. He puts the basket with the gem on top of the crystal peak.
Arnold, come downstairs. Magic is about to happen.
Arnold is down and the friends look up at the basket. A miracle begins. The gem in the basket starts to grow quickly. It becomes big and it becomes light. The night and snow disappear and summer comes. A rainbow appears and the letter A looks like a rainbow. The animals of the forest celebrate the rainbow and Amelia the parrot says,
My friends, you have watched our cartoon and realized that it is necessary to be friends. And when you have friends, you can defeat any difficulties and even defeat the evil clouds and bring the letter A gem to the top of the crystal peak. And also all our names begin with the letter A.
Arnold is the letter A.
Arthur is the letter A.
Amelia is the letter A.
Friends, keep learning the alphabet. We'll see you next time, and we need to do you an assignment from Arnold. Look further after the cartoon video in which you will learn how to make from plasticine Arnold and write the letter A. Let your parents, brother or sister help you make Arnold the alligator out of plasticine. Friends, I am glad that you watched the cartoon that I made about the letter A and the kind alligator Arnold. There is also a cartoon I made for the letter A about the brave astronaut Alex. Watch it and you will memorize the letter A. In my next cartoon about the letter B, you will see the adventure of the butterfly Bella and her friends. See you soon. You're Mary.